Hi everyone. Today I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me. Kind of get ready with me. I don't even know why I'm doing this. I'm not even going anywhere. I'm just bored and I need something on my channel. Ignore all that mess right there. It's just I'll move to the side. But yeah. Hope y'all like my shirt. This is what I got from the Ariana concert. And it just says Sweetener on this side, and then it just has the tour dates on this side. I'm just gonna be doing a simple look. I'm not really gonna do dramatic look today, so I'm gonna start priming my face with the Benefit Professional. I think I've used this one so many times in my channel already. This is just one of my favorite ones. So I recently graduated high school. Haven't been doing anything much. I actually have my college orientation next week on Monday and Tuesday. I'm not gonna be living in a dorm for sure because I only live like 15 minutes from the place, so it doesn't really make sense why I'm gonna be living in a dorm when I could just live at home. So I just decided to live at home and just drive, even though I don't know how to drive. So don't know what I'm gonna do, but I gotta learn how to drive before school starts in August. I'm gonna start doing my foundation, and I'm using the Jaclyn Hill X Morphe, and this is JH03. And I'm gonna be using the Huda Beauty foundation, and this is in the shade Toffee, I think that's how you say it, but it's 420G. And I'm just gonna boom boom there. I've also before graduating, I went to the Ariana Grande concert. That's why I'm wearing this shirt. It's actually the first time I'm wearing it because I've literally gone nowhere in my life since I graduated. I've just been home. I would just say it was like an amazing show. I really do love it, and like I really want to see her again. I know she tweeted the other day, like yesterday, on Twitter that she was gonna be adding more tour dates coming out, and I really hope it is Texas. She has at least one for Texas, because if she does, I will totally go again and hopefully meet her this time, because I've been waiting for years to meet my girl Ari. But also, I don't know if any of y'all know, or if y'all follow me on Instagram, y'all probably seen that I'm meeting Khalid in a few weeks. Don't know how I feel. I'm kind of nervous because I've never actually met a celebrity ever in my life. Khalid is going to be the first big celebrity I've actually met. I love using foundation brushes more. I like using more of a round one because they actually give you like a more flawless look, in my opinion. Since I don't have anything to do right now, what time is it? It's 1:30. I feel like I want to hear some music, but I really don't want to get copyrighted. Last night, boy, I met you. I really don't want to get copyrighted because I've always get copyrighted. But yeah, I'm meeting Khalid in a few weeks. I'm nervous, but I don't know how to feel. I also have Shawn Mendes coming up, the concert. Not meeting him, not as I know of right now, because the tickets are literally sold out to meet him. But I'm looking on Twitter to see if anybody has extra ones or are not going and are selling them. So if y'all know anybody, please tell them to hit me up on Twitter or Instagram, because your girl is trying to meet Shawn Mendes because he's the love of my life, if any of y'all did not know that. Oh yeah, I forgot to say, I'm using the Jeffree Star concealer. This is honestly the best concealer I've used besides my NARS one. I really do love NARS. Nothing can compare to NARS, but Jeffree Star it's good. It's like good. It's worth it. It was worth $22. I don't really know what to talk about. Like, I film videos and like I sound so dumb, and I never have anything to talk because I'm not an interesting person. My life sucks. I'm usually at home 24/7, in my room listening to music. You love how I move you. I'm not trying to get copyrighted. For powder, I'm gonna be using the Huda Beauty one under my eye, and then for base, I sometimes mix it with the Derma Blend, the translucent one. I'm running out of this one, so I need to go buy some more tomorrow when I go to the store. So that's the first thing I'm gonna have to remember to get. And I always hate doing my powder with my clothes I'm gonna wear because I always end up getting powder looking like I did coke or something. And I just dropped that. a lot of powder all over the floor. And see, this is why I hate this type of packaging, because the powder never comes out and it's so aggravating. And then I get powder all over myself. Like, shit, buy me new merch if I get it dirty. See, and then all this okay, not the best idea, and everything's all over my whole table thing right here, and everything's just flying right now all over my face. Okay, so I guess you could use the same sponge, and I usually just do this, and I'm using the Huda Beauty one right now. I'm gonna just press. Then I'll just go with the translucent as well. I might look like Flashback Mary with them, but you know, I don't care. I don't like looking greasy. What else am I doing in life? Oh my god, there's powder all over my phone now. Perfect. Why do I hate doing my makeup? Life is amazing. So let's go on Spotify. Spotify, and I have powder all over my phone. No, everything's going crazy. I hate my life. I really do. My playlist is literally called Lit and Depressing because a bitch is depressed, and we're gonna listen to it and see. No thanks, bitch. I don't want that. And if you don't know what the song is, this is a song like almost every YouTuber uses, and I love it. So we're gonna jam to it. Feeling good, cause I got should. When in dark, walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. A bitch is always stressed, so I literally have powder all over my shoulder, and you know what? I don't really care right now. I really don't know how to put blush. I usually just do this and just put. So if any beauty guru tries to drag me, homegirl, I don't know how to put it on, so teach me. And for some reason my camera just shut down in the middle of me putting my blush on, but I was already done with it, so you know, blush. Okay, what's next? Saying hi to everybody. I'm sorry. It's literally right in front of my face. So I'm gonna be using the Anastasia highlight. I really don't know how to pronounce it. I'm crazy. And I'm gonna be using the Sigma fan brush F42 for my highlight. Like I'm alright. I can't sing for shit. I think I just put way too much highlight, but you know, it's okay. Fuck a fake smile. I really do miss Ariana. I really want to see her again. So I'm gonna skip every Ariana song because I'm not trying to get copyrighted, like I said. Y'all like Drake? I like Drake too. I really hope I don't get copyrighted by Drake though. But I should skip it because I have a feeling I am. And I got copyrighted for this exactly same song last time. So if all of a sudden I stop talking, it's because of this song. So ignore that. Tell me why you gotta look at me that way. You know what it does to me. Now I'm gonna do my eyeliner. I don't really know if I'm gonna be doing the wing or not, but I think I am. So if it comes out bad, it comes out bad. So I finished putting on my eyeliner. It's not the best today, but I'm really not gonna go back and redo it because it always end up getting eyeliner underneath here. But you know, it's whatever today. This is the Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced. It's one of my favorite ones. I don't get the waterproof one because I don't really believe that waterproof stuff works. That's my own opinion. But I don't know if I'm going to be wearing lashes today because I don't know where I left my glue at. I used Kylie Cosmetics in Dolce K. This one, I really love this one, and I'm not overlining them or anything because I'm about to eat and it's gonna mess up either way. But yeah, I think this is all for today because that's all I have. So that's all. That is all for today. I really hope you like this video. Give them a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to see more from me. But yeah, comment down below or whatever you want to do. My social media will be linked down below. I really hope you like this, and I'll see y'all guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.